it's Joset van Burgt here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to assemble this cute little giraffe. I'm using the Giraffe die set, and here are all the pieces. So we've got the body, the feet, the head, the nose piece, the ears, the little ear pieces that stick out, and in his tail, and then all these ones, they are all to have his little spots on his body and his head. This one are for the spots of the head. Then this one, it kind of goes in the shape of his neck, and all these little ones you can use for his legs. So I've cut all my pieces already here. For all the yellow and the light brown, I just use white soft finish cardstock, and I'm going to color with the mustard seed distress ink. So that's the yellow. So I'll just do circular motions on my mat, and then that's his head, and then his body, okay, and then I already colored his two front legs, the ear and the tail. I just need to do the ears still. So I'm going to do the top part of the ear yellow. And you can see there's a little embossed line there as well. And then the inside of the ear I'm going to do with tea dye. So now I'm going to add all the brown, and so the brown pieces from the feet and his ears, and I cut that from brown cardstock with adhesive on the back already. Let me first do the eyes. So the eyes, it's on the same plate as the ears, so I cut it from white soft finish cardstock, and then I colored the eyes with a black marker. You can also use a really fine black marker to just color the eyes on the head instead of die cutting them out. I did die cut them. We add the eyes, and then the nose piece, I'm just going to use a little bit of the Kids Choice glue. And the nose bit overlaps a little bit on the eyes, so that's why it's good to do the eyes first. I'm going to continue with the brown. The ears, or they're not really his ears, there is the pointy parts of his head. And the brown in his tail. And then these are the spots for his head. There you go. And then this one is for the neck, so kind of measure where the head comes, and then everything underneath is free for his spots. There we go. And then there's a lot of spots for his legs. Now it kind of depends, you don't have to use all of them it kind of depends if you want the legs like this, if you're going to have a dancing giraffe. So on the legs here, I'm not going to use them all because these 2 legs will cover them. I'm just going to add 2 spots here and on the other side as well. So it's really handy to put the adhesive on the back, because otherwise with the glue it would be a lot of work. And then the front legs, I'll use all the spots there. And I'm using the fine pointed tweezers, they're really good for this. So there we go. Now we can assemble the rest. So the ears, again I'm using a little bit of the Kids' Choice glue, a little bit on the head pieces. So we add the glue for the top pieces and then for the ears as well. And they kind of stick behind. And then the face, oh, a little bit too much glue here. And then the legs. And then we just need to add his little tail. And then once this is dry, we've got a cute little giraffe. And I'm just going to show a card that I made as well here using the giraffe and the Jeep die set, and then the new leaves, the safari sentiments. So thank you for watching. I've suggested a couple other videos that I think you will enjoy as well. And don't forget to check out the other videos, how to assemble the other animals. See you next time.